What is that?
I don't really know what that one is. He's got those funny ridges.
Yeah. Should we say that one's an Allosaurus?
Yeah. Not really, though. We're not fooling him.
What kind is that? He has crest.
He does roar, I bet.
Yeah, he has sharp teeth.
Yeah, he's-
And little arms. What kind of dinosaur does that make him? That means he's a theropod. Okay, what else is in there?
This will be important in every...
A Physaurus.
Ooh, pull him out. Do you want me to hold it, that one?
Yeah, hold that one.
I'll hold that one for you.
Get another one out.
Get it out.
Oh, what kind is that?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurus Rex.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Can you hold him? Keep going.
What else is in there? What kind is that? What kind of dinosaur is that?
He's trying to be pulling it out.
Oh, Triceratops. That's right. Okay.
I like him. He's a good green one.
What's another one? Yeah, it's a Montana Ceratops.
I've never... Do they live in Montana?
Uh-huh.
No, they did.
No.
What kind of...
Montana.
Stegosaurus. Yes,
Plates and plates.
spikes and plates. That's
That's
right.
right. Look at that.
And a little tiny brain.
Physaurus.
Spinosaurus. That's right.
You like Spinosaurus?
Fine.
He has a spine.
Tail.
A long tail.
Tail. Returning.
Okay. One more?
There. That's there. That's there. It's on window.
He was in the window. What kind of dinosaur is this?
Window.
What's his name?
Brachiosaurus.
Brontosaurus.
Brachiosaurus.
Oh, Brachiosaurus.
Yeah, come on, Megan.
Sorry.
Called birdie.
What kind of neck does he have?
A tail.
A long neck?
There.
Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye bye.